This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll start our analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame and look at the current trend of the market and present support and resistance level. Before that, let us look at the event calendar for Monday. So Monday will be May 9th, and when we look at the event calendar, there are only low impact news planned on Monday, and at 6:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for British pound related currency pairs. Otherwise, there are no important news coming up on Monday. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in weekly time frame now. As we already know, previously the price action formed a double bottom pattern, then completed its 100% retracement. Then currently the price action in weekly time frame is on a retracement. And overall, when we look at the price trading currently, it is taking support at the neck level of the double bottom pattern. And when we look at the current trend of the market in weekly time frame, this is where from the bullish trend started. So currently the price action is trading above this trend line, and we can clearly notice that the current price action has formed shadow over here, came near to this trend line, and it has bounced back on the bullish trend. But when we look at the current candle color, it is in red color, and previously it was in a downtrend, and the current price action also opened below the body of the previous candle. So being a red candle and it formed below the body of the previous candle, it is still in a downtrend. We have to wait for the green color candle to close above this red color candle in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. And when we look at the support levels, this is the lowest level the wicks have come. When we take the body closing level, and presently this whole area is acting as a support level. And when we look at the past price action also, this level had acted as a very strong resistance level. Currently it is acting as a support level. As long as there are no red candles finishing below this trend line or support line, it is still considered as a bullish trend. And when we look at the chart formation, it went up, then retracement happened, again it retraced same level where it started its bearish trend reversal, again bounced back from the same level and retraced to the 100% level where it started its bullish trend. And it has already completed its double top pattern. So we have to wait and see what will be the candlestick formation for the coming week. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. We already know that the current price action is trading above this trend line or support line. So the trend in daily time frame is also on a bullish trend. And these are all the important support and resistance levels in daily time frame. And when we look at the Fibonacci's retracement level using the Fibonacci's tool, we can clearly notice that it has taken support at the 78.60% level in Fibonacci's tool, and it has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal, and it has not crossed the 50%, so it is in a sideways for now. And also when we analyze the current trend of the market, it was on a downtrend, then pullback happened, again it went on a downtrend, and again pullback, again it went on a downtrend. But over here when we notice it, it has not come on a bearish trend reversal. It is taking support at this support level. So the bearish trend reversal has stopped, and it is under a consolidation over here. In the past also we had noticed consolidation before making a directional movement. So currently the price action in daily time frame is also under a consolidation. Soon we can expect a directional movement in daily time frame. As long as these levels are holding, it will be a bullish trend reversal. Once this trend line is broken, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, previously it was on a downtrend, then it went on a consolidation over here, then started a directional momentum. Again it bounced back on a bearish trend reversal. When we look at the current price action, it has again started to go on a consolidation. So soon we can expect a directional momentum on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Currently it is trading between the resistance level of 1920 and support level between 1870 to 1840. And when we look at the trend of the market, drawing a channel pattern over here, this is where the bearish trend reversal started, and from here it started falling on a bearish trend. Next time when it went on a retracement also, it couldn't break this resistance line over here. And when we look at the lower side also, it took support around the support level of 1920, then started a consolidation, then went on a bullish trend. Again it broke this support level and took support on the bearish channel pattern trend line or support line. So currently when we look at the direction of the channel pattern, it is trading on a bearish channel pattern. And when we closely look at the midline of this bearish channel pattern, every time the price action tries to break this midline, it bounced back on a bearish trend reversal. So currently also the price action touched this midline and it has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So the trading range has become narrower and narrower, and trading between this resistance line and the support line. As long as channel pattern resistance line is not taken, we can expect a bearish channel to continue. So the important point we need to keep in mind is, currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. As long as these levels are holding, we can expect a bullish trend reversal. But once these levels are broken, we can expect the continuation of this bearish channel pattern. Currently the price action is trading in a very important support level, and the trading ranges are also becoming narrower and narrower. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously the price action took resistance at the resistance level of 1920 and midline of the bearish channel pattern and bounced back on a bearish trend reversal, and it formed a double bottom pattern and it went on a bullish trend reversal in hourly time frame. And currently the price action is trading between the midline from the bearish channel pattern and the support line of the bearish channel pattern. As long as the price action is trading above this support line or trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line to take a bullish side trade. Again we have the very strong resistance level from the daily time frame. It has to break this resistance level also in order to get a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. If this resistance level is not taken, we can expect it to bounce back from this level and to take support at the higher time frame support level of 1870. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. So bear in mind that currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also the price action has taken support on this hourly time frame trend line or support line. I have drawn one more resistance line over here. The price action has bounced back from the midline of the bearish channel pattern, and next time it went on a bullish trend also. It took resistance on this resistance line and bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. And on the lower side also, when we draw a trend line, we can notice that it is still in a bullish trend. So wait for it to break this resistance line or wait for it to break this support line to go on a direction trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Previously it formed into a double top pattern and retraced 100%. Previously the price action has bounced back from the neck level of the past price action. Wait for it to break this neck level in order to take a trade on the bullish side. Otherwise we can expect a bearish trend reversal to start from this level. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame also, previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and took resistance on the 30 minutes time frame resistance line, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend reversal. And when we draw the support line or trend line to check the current trend of the market, we can clearly notice that it is taking support on this trend line, and based on this trend line it has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. But when we notice the trading range, it is becoming narrower and narrower. So soon we can expect a directional breakout in 5 minutes time frame, based on which you can take a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values within these blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.